Jinggoy is a very seasoned operator when it comes to corruption. He's been doing it for decades. How seasoned is he? Trust me, this information, this is verified, and I have first-hand knowledge on this one. First, Jinggoy will never talk to you about money. That's why ang lakas ng loob niya sabihin kay Bryce, kinausap pa kita about pera. Because Jinggoy will never be the one to talk about money. There will always be a middleman. In this case, could be a middlewoman. Could have been Beng Ramos nga. And then sabihin lang, I'm speaking on behalf of Jinggoy. Again, plausible deniability, di ba? Tapos, sasabihin ni Beng Ramos, for example, sige, dalin mo yung pera, for example, dito sa lugar na to. And Jinggoy's not gonna be there. Neither will Beng be there. Nobody is gonna be there. It's gonna be an empty room, one table, walang tao dun sa loob. And then you walk away. Plausible deniability because at any time, Jinggoy can say, kinuha ko ba yung pera sa'yo? Binigay mo ba sa'yo? Hindi. Exactly. Kaya, walang trace. That's how smooth all these corrupt politicians are. And Jinggoy is one of the smoothest when it comes to being corrupt politicians, number one. Number two, kaya ang lakas na loob ni Jinggoy sabihin buksan ng bank account. Remember, majority of corruption does not happen within the banking system. It's all cash. Kaya nga, hindi nila dinedeposit sa bangko kasi pag dineposit nila, ang tanong, sir, 10 nyo nakuha, 100, 200 million na dinedeposit mo ngayong araw na to. Eh, sweldo mo lang sa senator is 250,000. What do people like Jinggoy do? What do all these dirty politicians do? They buy a condo, 30 million condo in BGC, yung 60 million, ipapark nila doon. Yan ang ginagamit nilang vaults ngayon. And that's how they launder money. And that's why they're outside of the banking system. And remember that even if you look at yung mga family members, but remember, there's the kabit factor. Maraming kabit that has no connection to Jinggoy.
Business partner.
Yeah, sure, di ba?
Wait, kabit na? Wait, never mind. Baka the
Iba't ibang klaseng kabit. Exactly. But you see what I'm saying, Kasi it's easy if you have a kabit, male or female, that has no business with you, and pinangalan mo sa kanya yung kondo. Aamin ba to? Hindi yan aamin.